In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file to WhatsApp from your computer, laptop, or PC. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to share documents straight from your desktop without needing to move them to your phone first. This is really handy for things like work files, school notes, or any document you've saved on your computer. First, open any web browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the WhatsApp webpage. This is the official website that lets you use WhatsApp on your computer, and it mirrors what's on your phone. On your screen, you'll see a large QR code. Now, take your phone and open the WhatsApp app. In the app, look for the option called Linked Devices. On most phones, you'll find this by tapping the three dots or the settings icon in the top corner. Once you're in Linked Devices, tap the button to link a new device. Your camera will open automatically. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen and wait a moment. You'll see your chats appear on the computer as soon as it connects. With WhatsApp Web now active, choose the chat you want to send the PDF to. This can be an individual chat or a group. Click on that conversation so it opens on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of the chat window, next to the text box, look for a small paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. Click on it and you'll see several options. Choose the one that lets you attach a document, not a photo or video. A File Explorer window will open on your computer. Now, navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. This might be your Downloads folder, Desktop, Documents, or somewhere else you've saved it. Click once on the PDF file you want to send, then click Open. WhatsApp will load a preview and show you the file name. At this point, you can optionally type a message to go with the PDF, like a short note explaining what the file is. When you're ready, click the Send button. Wait a few seconds for the upload to complete, and you'll see the PDF appear in the chat. That's all there is to it. You've successfully sent a PDF file to WhatsApp directly from your computer.